Hello guys, this is another pair Eurjpy, and we are currently in 12 months time frame, that is 1 year, and we can see for a very long time, for the last 25 years, or exactly, to be exactly, for the last 33 years, is it is going through a particular region. If we draw the chart from here to here, this is the total 7,000, 8,000 pips, almost the total dimension of this 33 years, and we are almost at the top level again. And you guys can see 98, the price came to this region first. uh, I'm not talking about this region. We are talking about the last 33 years. So this region, then it came here on uh, this is came on 2098, and then it came here in 2008, sorry, 1998, I beg your pardon, then 2008, and again it reached to same level, almost same level in we can say in 2023. So the gap is almost, if you guys see, is not similar, but the range is almost similar. So we have to be very careful here that this is the highest point peak it has reached already. So if you go to monthly, we can see that if it made a very big move on upward on November, and in December it came down like anything. In a single month, almost how many pips it came down in December, if we measure, it is not simple. It is I think it is 700, 835 pips it moved in only in a single month, which is a big drop here. So let's see if we have a double top in the month. No, we don't. So let's but I would like to put a mark here on monthly that this is the highest we have gone so far in the last 33 years. This is the range actually we have. So let's move to weekly, and if we have a double top here in week, we have to check. Hold on guys, yes, now I can check. I think so, but yes, I think so. Yes, I think so. If we mark this place, and if we go back, come back here, and enlarge it. Okay, this is the candle, single candle of opposite color in a bearish trend, which is a green candle, bullish candle. It created the whole issue here. It stopped the price to move upward further. So this is the place actually. This is the thing which has created this phenomena. If we go and go and go and let me draw it so you guys have an understanding what is going on. So this is the single candlestick which has created this double top in week, and so this is the whole thing we have. So we need to consider the depth of the market at the same time. So we'll cover all this here, and let's put it like this. Change the color to weekly double top we have, and also we need to change this color to weekly, and also we need to mark this. This was a single candle range which created this double top. So this is the thing we have at the moment, and once this double top is made, if we measure this double top in context of the total range, then the price supposed to come here, the 50%. We can go from here to here, and the price supposed to come here. But the problem is this, we have a big issue here. First of all, that we are working on a very big range. So let's move back to month and divide the range into certain portions, so we can work on the currently available portion rather than this is the 50% of the monthly range. So let's mark it, and if we measure this 50%, okay, and this is the 50% of that, and let me change it, increase this, yes. So this is the actual thing, and you can guys see that there is a opposite candlestick in this bullish trend, and so we measure the thing from here to here. And what happened now, if we measure from here to here, okay, here to here, can you guys see one interesting thing, that it has already retraced 50% of it? Can you guys see? In December, this bearish candle has already retraced back 50% of this range. It has already completed. So this is one thing, that it can make a double bottom here. But what I would like to see, that what are the chances it will move up or down? It will come down. We are going to work on that before we move. So let me mark this guy also. We will currently work on this range only, because beyond that, though there is no low that has created this high, the minimum we should consider is this low. That is my perception, because this is the double bottom which has created this top. So let us mark this one rather than this guy, then we'll analyze one by one, so we understand that things can move in a more smoother way. This is the double bottom in the month. If you guys see this red and green, first tried to move up, and it failed. It came back, retested this monthly zone, and once that it started moving up to that level. So we will let mark it from here. That is the best place to start with for considering the current price level, rather than going here and there. But I'd like to show you everything, so you can make your analysis based on the most practical thing happening here. Let us remove all this thing. So we have a monthly double bottom here, and we have a weekly double top here. Okay, so this is, and also we can see there is the opposite candlestick in monthly, and this guy has resisted this price here, and that's why it couldn't come. It came down but failed to break this bottom shadow, the shadow of this month, I mean July. The bottom shadow has not been broken, and it is trying to get back, and this is the last support of being bullish. This is the last support, and after that it will get bearish. If the market has broken this guy, this shadow here, it will be bearish ultimately. So considering this range, if we consider this range at the moment, then the 50% should be achieved here. And guys, can you see that we have a huge liquidity in this 50%? Can you guys see? Because from here it has started moving up after taking out all this liquidity. So still there is liquidity left here, a lot of liquidity has been left. So this is the thing. So let's move to weekly, and in week we can see that these guys, I think it is getting a little bit. healthier. Let make it thinner. Now you guys can see that it is trying to move up on the downside, but at the same time it failed to break the upside. We have very long shadow in weekly for first, second and last 3 weeks. We have long shadow. Neither it is moving upward, not it is moving downward. And here the price is actually within a range. It is working. Actually, this is the range of the price. It is working. This is the range. All range. Almost a lot of tweaks are here. So I don't think it will break down easily when it will move up easily, because a lot of resistance on the top, a lot of resistance on the bottom, resistance on the top and support on the bottom. So first of all, if we consider the week, you guys can see this is the first, the breaking of this with the candle, with the bearish candle with a body will be the change of character, and this will be break of structure. These two lines are very important for being bearish in the market. And so we cannot get anything out of here right now as this thing. So let's move to daily, and you guys can see that hold on, what I wanted to communicate is very interesting. So you guys can see this is the price range it is operating actually. Okay, so if you guys move to daily, can you guys see how many days this range is covering? So this is not easy to break down so easily. So it has came down for the last 2 days of December last week. It came down, but it didn't break any structure or any interesting part which we should consider. So currently I am not bearish at all about Eurjpy. I rather be bullish, because though there is a discussion of Japanese Bank of Japan will increase the rate or at least go from negative to zero to their interest rate, but I am not at all concerned, because Euro has declared that it is not going to change its interest rate shortly. So my assumption is this: wait to see this thing, these lines. These are very important. I should enable them in daily, otherwise we will miss out the whole thing. These are the marked line which we need to be taken care of. We don't need them in weekly. Yes, weekly we need, monthly we don't. Okay, we don't need them in monthly. No point in monthly, it will be absorbed in monthly. So let's take out this, get back to daily. So this is our daily situation at the moment. You guys can see this is the daily situation. And if we consider daily, we have a double bottom here. You guys can see red, green, and it went up, and that's it we have. So if we do consider this double bottom of the day of daily here for the timing, this is the depth of the whole market, and make it blue, which we do for the daily. If we consider this for daily double bottom, this is daily bottom we have, this is the thing we have. I think it should be a little bit lower. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we can tell that the market will try to reach 50% of it at A, and it didn't. So I'm expecting the price to break this line, this area. Let's put it in this way. Let's put it here. This guy needs to be broken before we decide anything being bullish or bearish. But this line has not been broken yet. And even if we consider it as an inverted cup and handle, it has not formed. The cup has formed, but the handle has not yet been formed. To form the handle, it has to come here at least. So it came down, tried once, tried for the second time, it went up, it didn't touch even the bottom, the half, above half. So this need to be taken care of. So minimum the price should come here. So my opinion for the next week will be something like this. I will not be bullish, I rather bearish. I will be rather bullish biased. I'm expecting it to come here. That's all for Eurjpy, and that is my way of thinking. And please make your own analysis, which is very important, before, and do your risk management. And please do subscribe, press the bell icon, and do like and share with everyone. Thank you very much.